Own your look. Rock your curves. For too long, the world tried to tell us that style had a size limit, that certain clothes belonged only to certain bodies. That is a lie we stop believing today. It is time for mothers and for every woman with beautiful, large curves to step into the light and claim the wardrobe you deserve. We are talking about shorts. We are talking about short clothes. We are talking about youth-colored t-shirts, and we are talking about you looking amazing in them. Your body changed when you became a mother. It stretched, it grew, it nourished a human. That is power. Those curves are not something to hide. They are something to celebrate. The idea that you must cover up from head to toe just because you are a mom or because you wear a larger size is old news. That story is over. You are writing a new chapter, and in this chapter, you wear the shorts. Let us talk about shorts. They are freedom for your legs. They let air touch your skin on a hot day. They show the world you are active and comfortable in your own body. Find the right pair that hugs your hips just right. Pair them with a bright, colorful t-shirt that makes you smile when you see it in the closet. That pop of color, a youth green or a hot pink or a sunshine yellow, does not just brighten a room, it brightens your whole spirit. Short clothes do not mean clothes that are too small. They mean clothes with less fabric that show off your shape. A cool tank top, a sleeveless blouse, a cute mini dress. These things are not just for the young girls, they are for the women, the queens, the mothers. Your arms are strong from carrying kids and groceries. Show them off. Your legs carried you through every long night and every school run. Let them breathe. Femininity is your birthright. It does not fade with age or with dress size. It is in the way you move, the way you laugh, the way you own a room. When you wear clothes that feel good, you stand taller. That confidence is the most beautiful thing you can wear. It shines brighter than any designer label. It tells your daughters, your sons, and every woman watching that you refuse to disappear. Do not let fear run your life. Do not skip the pool party because you worry about your thighs. Do not sit on the sidelines at the barbecue because you're hot in long pants. Buy the shorts. Wear the bright shirt. Go to the wedding in that dress that shows your curves. Go to the park, the school event, the fancy dinner. Show up fully as yourself. The world needs to see you. Little girls with round bellies need to see you rocking that crop top. New moms with stretch marks need to see you in those shorts. They need to know that their bodies are not a problem to be solved. You show them the truth by living it. Your confidence gives them permission to find their own. So here's your reminder. You are not too big for that outfit. You are exactly the right size. Your legs are fine, your belly is fine, your arms are fine. They are all part of you, and you are magnificent. Pull on those shorts, slip into that colorful tee. Look in the mirror and smile at the woman looking back. She's strong, she's feminine, she's here, and she's not hiding anymore. Go out there and let them see you.